Well, I'm here on the mountain, so let's do mountain pose. Stand up straight and point your toes straight ahead. Make a fist and fit it right between your feet. Now press down into your feet and lift up long and strong, but keep your knees a little bit bouncy so they're not locked. Imagine laser beams coming out of your fingertips and press them down, and then let your arms come up and overhead with your palms facing each other. See if your shoulders squished up towards the ears and let them come down. Maybe even open up into a big Y for yes. What do you want to say yes to today? Think about it. Look around. Take a few deep breaths. And then let your arms come down. Namaste.